Today, I'll show you how to export data from TradingView to Excel. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In most cases, TradingView exports data as a CSV file, not as a native Excel workbook. TradingView says chart data, screener results, strategy data, and some trading data can be exported in CSV format, and then you open that file in Excel for further analysis. Let's start with the most common method, which is exporting chart data. Open your chart in TradingView and make sure the data you want is fully loaded on the screen. TradingView says the export becomes available as soon as the chart data is loaded, and if you want more history, you can scroll left first to load more bars, then go to the upper toolbar menu and choose Download Chart Data or Export Chart Data. After that, select the chart and click Download. TradingView says the file includes chart data, such as the ticker and indicators, and it downloads as a CSV file. Once the file is downloaded, open Microsoft Excel, then open the CSV file. Excel will place the TradingView data into rows and columns so you can sort it, filter it, calculate with it, or build charts from it. Now let's look at a couple of other export options. If you're working in a screener, TradingView says you can set your filters and columns, open the template menu, and choose Export Screen Results. That also downloads a CSV file you can open in Excel. If you're using a strategy, TradingView says you can open the strategy report and click Download. And if you're connected to a broker or using paper trading, TradingView also says trading data can be exported from the broker drop-down menu as CSV. One more thing to remember is that TradingView's export options can depend on where the data is coming from, and sometimes on your plan or feature access. So if you don't immediately see an export button, check whether you're in a chart, screener, strategy report, or broker panel first. So, in simple terms, export the data from TradingView as a CSV file, then open that CSV in Excel. That's the main way to move TradingView data into Excel for analysis. And that's how to export data from TradingView to Excel. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.